All right, now we're moving right along on our manatee. If we look down here, we've already got our initial crease here, which is our 2/3 way mark. We're going to open it back up, and the best way to do this is we're just going to kind of pull, let's do this, pull this open like so, just crease it down like that, and then flip it over, just kind of repeat that. It's an easy, good overhand crease, like so. Now this is our 1/3 mark, so this is where we're going to put the other part of our manatee's nose. I'm going to do it the same way, just an overhand point here, and just kind of mimic it on the other side, like so. And then this point is in the way. Our manatees don't have pointed noses, so we're just going to bring it right back up under here. What we're going to do is take this nose and we're just going to fold it under as well. Just get it out of the way. There we go. Now our manatee's starting to take shape. Fold it under. There we go.